on account of demands of students who were contacting me, saying that after the issuance of the circular by the Goa University, which promised them marks or credits for volunteering for the national games, the university was dilly-dallying and not giving them the marks or the credits. And the date was approaching for submission of the application for examination so they could get the marks. And I was constrained to call up the registrar and inform him that this was not correct, it was unfair, and this would amount to an act of cheating, which is a crime, and I would not hesitate to take them by filing an FIR against every person involved in depriving the students of the marks or the credit. I'm pleased to inform you that the registrar responded to me the next day by a WhatsApp message saying that the issue has been resolved, that he spoke to the Vice Chancellor and the university has agreed to give them the marks or the credits, and the students have got relief.